is from Lily. And she says, I am a woman and I have been resting my forearms on the ground upon every sujood. And I'm aware that there are differences in the performance of salat between men and women worshippers. Could you tell us further such differences? First of all, Lily, this is an issue of dispute among scholars. When you scrutinize it, when you look deep into it and research it, you find that the Prophet ﷺ clearly said, pray as you have seen me pray. So the hadith is general for men and for women. And if you search further, you would not find any authentic hadith differentiating between the way a man prays and a woman's prayer. Which means that in order for me to build an allegation, I need evidence. So when someone says, if a woman were to pray in the presence of non-mahram men, as in the case of a woman who wants to pray on the pavement in the streets, it's time for prayer and there's no masjid and her home is far away, what would she do? She has to pray and she is fully covered. So we get people coming and saying, oh, if she's going to pray, then she has to conceal herself, in the sense that instead of making sujood like this or ruku', see, she has to conceal herself, put her forearms on the ground as the Prophet had prohibited, alayhi salatu wasalam. And he told us that this is simulating the way of a dog or a beast when they sit, and this is not permissible. You have to keep your arms, you have to raise your elbows away from your body. So some scholars say, no, she must not do this, she will be exposed. And this is not true. The Prophet ﷺ had never warned us from this, and this is a bit too extreme. It is too extreme as we see in some masjids. When you have the women prayer area totally segregated with a wall, they cannot see the worshippers and they cannot see the imam, so that they could follow. And so many times the microphones go off and they are lost. They cannot follow the imam, they don't know what to do. This wasn't at the time of the Prophet ﷺ, and this is not the right thing to do. Nevertheless, sometimes we are too protective to the extent that we are more Roman than the Romans. This is unacceptable. The religion of Allah is intact, is fixed. No need for you to come and change it. So no need for you to claim that you worry about women more than the Prophet ﷺ. The Prophet did not ever tell us ﷺ that a woman should do this or do that when she prays in front of non-mahram men. Therefore, the conclusion of the answer, there is no evidence to differentiate the prayer of women from the prayer of men, and they're identical, and they have to do this whether in the presence of men or